Hi, I'm Stacy Francis, and I'm excited to talk to you about a big part of my life and my family's life. Have you heard of Dungeons and Dragons? It's also known as D&D. Well, if not, I'm going to give you all the information about it. And actually, what's even more important, how the lessons of Dungeons and Dragons can help you level up your money and make your money work harder for you. All right, so let me tell you what Dungeons and Dragons really is. It's a legendary role-playing game, a tabletop game, where all of the participants playing go on these really phenomenal, epic adventures where they are trying to solve problems together, different challenges, and sometimes might have to fight a monster or even a dragon. Now, all of the players are guided by who I think is the most important person in the entire game. It's the game master. This is the person who has mapped out the entire journey, created the story. They create the strategy, make sure that the team is working together, and they help everyone stay focused on the mission. So let's talk a little bit about what financial pieces you can take from Dungeons and Dragons and bring into your everyday life, even if you don't pay D&D. Well, number one, charisma counts, and you need to stay engaged with your money. Well, in D&D, as I mentioned, the Dungeon Master keeps the group really focused on the goal. And guess what? In your financial life, you are the Dungeon Master of your money. So stay attentive to your money, to your budget, to your financial goals, to your savings, because staying engaged and staying on top of your finances is the first step to success. All right, number two, don't split the party. Any D&D player will tell you never to split the party. Staying together as a group, going through this adventure is much safer, much more effective than splitting the party and potentially finding yourself having to fight a dragon that might be right around the corner. Well, hopefully there's no dragons in your financial life, but I have to say that this strategy is important for you too. Whether you're working with a partner or you're on your own, it's really important to stay committed to your goals. If you're working on your goals, you might be on your own, you might want to have an accountability partner. I have to tell you that working together as a team, it's going to help you make sure that you get to those goals and be sure to do so much faster. All right, number three, embrace your hero journey. Build your financial confidence. We are all heroes in our own journey. So celebrate your big wins, whether it's paying off debt or maybe something smaller like upping your 401k savings by $50. In D&D, every step forward makes you stronger. And I have to tell you, it's the same thing with your finances, making sure that you stay focused on your goals. Your personal finances don't have to feel like a dungeon. I hope they don't. But know that we are here at Francis Financial to help you level up your finances. That is our superpower. So if you are interested in working with us, you can go and get a little bit more information by reaching out to Francis Financial at www.francisfinancial.com, or you can email me at Stacy, Stacy, at francisfinancial.com.